In this video, I'll show you how to join Collaborate Ultra for lectures, online lectures. On the left hand side of your main screen, you will go to a link called Collaborate Ultra. Click on that. Now you can click on the only room that is available, and you can join the course either with this link here, or you can dial in using this number. So let's join this course. So the dial in is if you don't have access to internet. If you have access to internet, you can join the course. And this is the screen you'll see at the beginning. Now I'd suggest that you keep your mic off. If you need to ask a question, click on this, and I'll allow you to open your mic and ask a question, and I'll answer. If you want to exit the room, you can leave the session like so.